Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Europe session today, November 7th. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trades. Okay, and let me see. Okay, with that, I think we'll proceed with the live trade. Okay, the key data that is out tonight. In fact, 2000 hours we have this BOE, Bank of interest rate announcement, and I think the forecast is they are expecting about a 0.25% cut from the BOE. And 2130 we have unemployment claims. Then after that, I don't think we have any other data. Okay, so I think we can do a news trading. Okay, in fact, tonight I think the session is about 2100 hours. So we would be doing I mean, today I'm not sure whether we have to change it to the news trading. Okay, maybe I think we'll see how, we'll see how, but if not, then I think we'll still maintain as 2100 hours. Okay, now the trading, I think just now we have took some trades. I think we are still open. The dollar yen, this dollar yen, we are holding short around 15428. Then we are long gold at 2650 on the swing, and we are also long at 2662, but I'm not sure whether this thing is stopped out. If it's stopped out, then we'll try to manage this. So let's start off with managing the gold, followed by the dollar yen. Okay, these two. Then after that, if there are any other opportunities, then we will continue with the trade. So looking as of now, okay, now you see here the gold. Okay, the time, the 60 minute is just completed. 120 is flat, 360 is flat, daily is flat, weekly is down below 2709. Okay, so right now the market is, excuse me, is flat with an upside bias. And remember tonight, okay, I forgot to mention that tonight there is a US interest rate announcement in the night, early in the morning. Okay, so now we are trying to do the gold. Okay, now we feel that this gold, the time has already finished. Okay, this time has already finished, and looks like the correction is also over. Okay, I think we are a bit unfortunate if we are stopped out. If you have got stopped out, if you're not, then I think we can still go into the trade. So right now, I think let me see. See, this is the problem, which we need to come across. Okay, we'll try to buy at 59 half and put a stop at 56, and TP at extension of this, which is about 70 half. Okay, this one I think we can quickly go for this trade because the time has just finished. Okay, just finished. In fact, just now I think I gave a signal to buy at 56. Okay, this 56, I think that one, I think we need to revise it to 59. Okay, we are just unfortunate. I see, this is the thing. Okay, try to change it to, let me see, okay. So I think we can buy this at 59 half, stop at 56, TP at 71. Okay, this one expiry is only 1 hour. Okay, so this trade we can initiate if in the event if you feel, I mean, your side is got stopped out. Okay, we'll try to get in. Just give me a minute. Okay, I hope we'll see. Okay, let this thing work. Okay, the next trade is dollar yen. I think we are holding the trade. Okay, right now, okay, looks like, we have seen,
Trade amended.
okay, we were
Trade
trying
amended.
for lower prices. I think we have just missed this TP. Looks like all the odds are in I mean, against us. So if this is the case, then I think we should be trying to book the profit on the existing one. Okay, let's change it. I think we should have closed it earlier. Okay, we'll try to exit at 54. Okay, let me change on my side as well.
Trade amended.
Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So I think the dollar yen, we have to close it because we, I think we have missed because the market looks like we have seen a base. In fact, we were expecting weakness to be seen. So what we will do is we will try to do a re-entry again at the better levels. So try to close, take profit at 54. So then we'll try to enter gold, and if the other one is is not stopped out, then we can still continue with that trade. Okay, so now let's do the dollar yen. I think we have to re-enter at a better level. So what is going to happen now is, okay, we have seen a base. Okay, we have seen a base, and but we can see the price eventually coming down. But now the chances are, we may see a price moving up first before it comes down. Okay, we will try to do a re-entry again at 54 50, 54 50, 54 50, and let's see the time. Yeah, so we will try to enter at 54.50, stop at 54.75 above the current high. Then let's see, this pattern gives us any clue. Okay, I think we should see this low breaking, so if we are seeing this low breaks, then we should see an extension of 53.30. So I think our target should be 30, entry at 54.50, stop loss at 54.75. Okay, all this, I think all the informations we needed, we have got, so maybe we can go into that trade. So we have, okay, in fact we have an order at 54.55. Okay, and this one is expiry at 18:30. So what we will do is we will try to do the adjustment to 50, 75 and 53.30. Okay, then now this one, the extension you can give up to, now is 6 o'clock is the time belt over, plus another 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. So that means until 2100 hours. Okay, so this dollar yen is okay. Then let me see what other orders we will just try
Trade
to
amended.
revise,
Trade
then
amended.
start moving.
Trade
Okay,
amended.
this New Zealand dollar, this is good to go. This Canadian dollar sell is also okay. 65, 85, 1 to 850, 1 to 710. Okay, this 1 to 710, we have euro buying order, and right now this is trading at 10765. So I think this one we need to do an adjustment. Okay, let me see the euro dollar. Okay, M2710. I don't think we will be seeing that price anymore. So we will try to raise it to 30. Then the TP is still the same, and the stop loss is below the current low. Okay, so this trade we can adjust it to 30, 05 and 10820, and this one expiry we can push it to another let me see, 6 plus 4 10, yeah, about between 10 to 10:30, 22:30. Okay, what we will do is, okay, we will try to do the adjustments of the trades first. Then after that we will continue with our live trade, meaning how we manage the trade and how we put in the trades and what is to be expected, and so on and so forth. Okay, now dollar sing. Okay, we are trying to sell at 133.15, and
Trade amended.
the I think
Trade
it's already
amended.
dropped to
Trade amended.
33.15, and the pound we're trying. Okay, pound we let go because tonight got pound data, so we'll be doing news trading on this. So this one we'll just we just need to see the dollar sink. Okay, let me see whether we can adjust that level. Okay, the one I think we raise it to. In fact, I think our price target is already reached 32 half, and we supposed to be selling. I think we missed that entry. So what we will do is we will try to lower the entry to 33 and give give some more time for that trade. 25 13250. Okay, this one again we are extending by another 3 to 4 hours for this trade. Okay, let's see one more round. Okay, the euro, I think the day order we have already adjusted. The scalping, I think we have already adjusted. Dollar yen, I think we are trying to close and do a re-entry. Uh, Gold, we are trying to buy. Okay, we are trying to buy, and we are holding a buy on the swing trading. This. Okay, one more thing. The swing, I think this one also. I think we need to adjust the stop. Okay, we'll adjust it to 55, so at least we make 50 pips on this. So this,
Trade amended. Trade amended. Trade amended.
okay. So I think the rest of the
Trade
adjustments
amended.
is all more or less done. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think now we can go into the live trades. Okay, live trades, and see what other opportunities we can look for the trades. Okay, let's start off. Okay, so now I think the dollar weakness has started on the euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar on the 360 we have already seen strength. We should be buying euro dollar. Then dollar yen we should be selling. Aussie dollar we should be buying. Dollar CAD we should be selling, and New Zealand dollar will be buying. Dollar SIG should be selling. So except for Swiss and pound. Okay, this is a bit flat. Okay, and let's look on the daily. Okay, daily is still flat. Okay, daily is all still flat. So not yet. I think now we have just got the signal from the 360 and 720. So now next thing is, if we are to go for an entry, then we should be looking to enter either at the 120 low if you are going in the same direction. So that means the euro dollar we should be buying at 710, which is early on we put, I think we missed. So now we are trying to buy at 730, okay, which is also a acceptable figure. So this euro dollar is to go. Okay, now I think the pound, I think we start working on the pound now, followed by uh, the Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar. So this three we can look into. Okay, let's start off with pound. Okay, pound, since tonight the rate cut is expected. Okay, meaning they are going to reduce the interest rate by 25 points. So now we are uh, trying to trade this, and of course we have seen the strength on the daily, which is one buying force has already come in. So the hourly is still flat with one buying force coming into play. So let's start off with this pound. Okay, now when we start trading, okay, always remember when we are going for a buy, our focus should be on the low, because that's where we are trying to put a stop. So now, if you see now, since we now 12910, you see your previous day low is 12835. Okay, here this is a pound, and your current week low is 12835, and your previous week low is 12845. So that means, in other words, the price has just breached previous week low, then it went up, now is moving up, and now has taken support. Okay, so that is the clue this is giving us. So now, if your previous low is 12835 and current low is 12875, so there is a gap. So that means the market is making a higher low, and your current high is 12950. I think earlier on we were trying to sell at 55, so the one also, I think we missed that entry, we didn't get this entry. So now we are trying to go for a buy on this, with the expected high to break towards 130 half. And let's see, we have any other benchmark or resistance level. We have resistance at 130 10 and 130.05 and 130.10. So that means 130.10, that is going to be a strong resistance. Then 12870, we should be looking to buy at 12870 or 50. These are the two levels of buying. But of course, we have to look into the chart, then finally we conclude where we want to enter. Okay, so 12870. Okay, so now let's go into the chart, then I think we can look into this cross to trade. So if you look this pattern, okay, the only clue we have is we have seen the low. Okay, we may have seen the low. For confirmation, we need to see the price closing above 65. So if we see the price closing above 65, then we know that we have seen the low on the 6-hour chart, on the 6H hour chart. Then we should see the price moving higher towards, and of course remember we have a resistance at 130.10, so we need to exit before 130. So now let's put in the trade, and since tonight this is having a news, so we will try to give the signals for the news as well. So right now we are seeing this weakness. So this weakness should not go beyond 90. Okay, 90 and 70. So these are the two levels. Okay, two levels of entry. Okay, I think we are more or less ready to give the signal for this. Okay, we want to give this signal. Okay, first let me see what time is the data out. Okay, the data is out at 2000 hours. Okay, 2000 hours, and this is 20. Okay, this is expected to cut. So that means we should be able to get the market move down a bit. Okay, so that means we have another 2.5 hours. Okay, let me see, 2.5 hours. Okay, 2.5 hours. Okay, now what we will do is we would put in two trades. Okay, one is pound. This is a 12890. Okay, we buy at 12890. Sorry, this is a buy. Yeah, buy at 12890. Stop at 65 and TP at 12935. And this one, the expiry would be 1.5 hours. Okay, that means you see right now this is 2 hours is going to come in, and this is going to end at another half an hour. Okay, another half an hour. Okay, so we'll give about until 19. Okay. Now,
Life signal.
so this is a scalping signal. So we are trying to get it cheaper. Please pay attention to this. But the only problem is because tonight is a news announcement, so we have to get prepared for that. So we'll try to buy, and this expiry is only for 1.5 hours. That means if the trade gets filled, we'll carry on with this trade. Otherwise, we will wait for the news announcement. Then we have the news trading signal. Okay, that one. Okay, we want to buy pound at 12875. Okay, that is near the low. If we get it, because most likely the BOE, Bank of Government, Bank of England, is expected to cut rate. So if they go as planned, then most likely we might get a spike down. Then eventually this market should turn up. Okay, eventually it should turn up, and we should see the price moving higher. So here we'll try to buy at 12875, stop at 12850. Then we try to exit at 12980. Remember, we got to exit before 13010, and this expiry is 2100 hours. So we want to take this trade. So for those of you, okay, who feel that, of course, this price would be adjusted, okay, during that time, maybe about a few minutes before, meaning like maybe about 5-10 minutes.
Profit booked.
So you got
Life
to
signal.
so you got to pay attention to our signals, then try to take in this trade. So basically what we are expecting is, we are expecting the price to move down a bit, then eventually turn up and move up, so that is the direction which we are looking for. So now, since this is news trading, so we may want to do 2 or 3 more crosses on the pound. So at least we get ourselves prepared for the news trading. So here, if you look into this, let's see how is the pound performing against the crosses. So pound is weak against the euro. That means we have all the 3 selling forces pointing against the euro. This is strong against the yen, strong against the Swiss, weak against the Aussie, and weak against the CAD, and weak against the New Zealand, and flat against the Sing dollar. Okay, so now based on this, we should be looking to sell pound Aussie, looking to sell pound CAD, and maybe we'll try to see whether we want to buy pound yen or sell pound yen. Of course, the chart would give us the final clue. So let's do pound yen first, pound Aussie, then pound Swiss also would be a potential buy, because this market is also expected to turn up. So pound yen buy, pound Swiss buy, pound Aussie sell, pound CAD sell. Okay, so let's do pound yen first. Okay, pound yen. So when we said, like for instance, let's say we are going for a buy. Okay, remember we said that we are going to concentrate on the low, especially if we are going for a buy. So now you see the current low is 19870, and your previous day low is 19735, and current week low is 19650, previous week low is 19535. So when we gather all this four information, basically what we are getting, the clue is the market is making higher lows. And as far as the high is concerned, I think current week high, previous day high, current day high, all are showing the same thing. So the high is that means the market is not showing us much strength to go higher, but we are seeing higher lows. Okay, that is the clue we are getting from this. Then when we go into the trend map, okay, now we look into pound yen. So basically what we have seen, or what we are seeing is, okay, we feel the market has made a low on the 360. Okay, 360 we have already seen a low, 720 we have already seen a low, and daily we have seen a low. Okay, so that means the market previous day low is 19735. If you see here, 19735. So that means we should be looking to buy near or above 19735. Okay, so that is the clue we are getting from the system, and right now is trading at 19890, and the time control we are seeing is only we are seeing a 4-hour chart on the sell. So which means the weakness should last for 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. Okay, let me go into the chart, then we'll get more clues and more ideas for this trade. Okay, so 4 hours, that means this has got only another 30 more minutes left for this weakness. Okay, for this weakness, and we should not see the price. Just now I said the daily low was 19735, and now your 240 is saying that we should not see the price going below 19820. So we should not see the price below 19820. So in other words, we should be putting our stop. Okay, we should be putting our stop at 19815, and then we will see what is our entry and exit. Exit, remember we got to exit before 19945. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, right now market is coming off and we have not seen the low yet. Okay, let's assume, okay, we get the data. So 198 35.40 should be a good buying level, and 19810 would be a good stop. Okay, 19810 should be a good stop, and our TP we would want to exit at 19885 or 19915. So these are the information we are gathering from the chart. So here, if we look into this, if you look into this and see whether our system agrees to this information. Okay, see, remember 19810 would be your good stop. Okay, then we can put in this trade. Okay, now we go into back into that dashboard, and okay, Okay, I think we already got the information we wanted. So we want to buy at 30, 35, and we want to put a stop at 19800. And remember, I told you we have to exit at 19885 or 90 or even 19915. So that means the system is giving me the same answer. That means we got to buy at 30 or 35, stop at 198, below 19800, and TP at 19885. Okay, so we have all the informations we needed for the trade. So we are going to put in this trade. This is a news trading. That means, remember, the news trading is basically when the data is out, and we try to enter this trade. So we put it as 35, okay, 198 and 19885. So we will put about 50 pips, and expiry is 21. So again, what we want to tell you is we would be adjusting these prices about 5-10 minutes before the news is out. So that means it's like, for to get all these informations, of course you got to register with us, you got to, I mean, we are giving a promotion. That means, we are giving a free services. So I mean, you have nothing to pay for, but you just have to, for YouTube users, we are giving you a promotion for 1 month free trial. So you can just register with us under this Precise Trader, then get this information, then you can use it and you can trade with us. Okay, now next is we look into pound Swiss. Okay, pound Swiss, the same thing. Okay, I mean, I can use the chart,
Life signal.
I can give you the information, or I can look into the system and give you the same clue. Okay, maybe we will go from the system. Okay, we'll go in from the system, then we will see what, then finally maybe we'll tally it with the chart. Okay, looking at the pound Swiss, right now this market is trading at 11315. Okay, so current low is 11280 and current high is 11330, and previous day high is 11310, and current week high is 11330. So that means the current high which we have seen, this is happened today. So this is today we happen. Okay, then the next clue I'm getting from all this information is current week low is 11165, previous week low is 1105. So that means current week low is higher than previous week low, and previous day low is higher than current week low, and current day low is higher than previous day low. So that means overall the market is making higher lows. Okay, higher lows and higher highs, and today it made the high. So if I'm right, so I should expect this 11330 to break, and we should see the price moving higher beyond. Okay, so of course this is the clue I'm getting based on the dashboard. Okay, now we go into the trend map. So I need to know the time control. That means what is the time that has given us a reversal or a turn, and how long we can see this thing. So we have a 120 green, tells us that 2 hours already made a turn, 240 has made a turn, 360 has made a turn, and 720, and daily and weekly. Yeah, this is where the clue is. So your daily and weekly are pointing higher. So that means, okay, the price is expected to move higher. So overall, even the weekly is giving us a strength. So definitely it's a buy, and we should be looking for these prices to break higher. So this is the clue we are getting. So when that gives me a weekly high, okay, monthly is still flat. Okay, weekly is up, monthly is still flat. So overall, I think the weekly is giving us a clue that this is going to go higher. If that is the case, then I need to also consult the PT zones. So since your PT zones are giving you a clue, So weekly there is no selling force. Daily there is no selling force. 360 is no buying, also no, there is no selling force. That means this is only a buy. So we should be buying, and our comfortable target should be daily RR2 and weekly RR2. Okay, and let's see your previous week. Previous week all are supporting buy, and only the previous month there is a one selling force involved. So if that's the case, I think I am good to go on this. So I should be looking to buy somewhere. The system says look to buy somewhere 112.85, 112.65. Okay, and 112.50. So in other words, we should not see the low or the price below 112.50, 50 or 40, and we should see the price moving towards 113.60. Minimum is 40, 60. If higher, then we may even see 114.20. So this is the information I'm getting from the system. So 113.55 should be your first target. If it breaks, then we should see 113.80, 114.30. So write down all these figures, so then we can consult the chart, then we can go into the trade. Okay, I think we are good to go on this. So remember, our stop has to be near 112.50 or 40. So that should be your key level to take note. Okay, now we go into the chart. So now if you look into the chart, okay, now we are seeing some weakness on the this 360, and this weakness will be only going to last for another 15 minutes. Okay, another 15 minutes. Okay, let me see. Just 1 minute, huh? Okay, I think our gold is filled. 59 half. We tried to buy. Okay, let me see the order is filled or not. Yeah, the order is filled. 59 half. Okay, so here now, here we look into this. What we see is we should not see the price. Your support, I mean your entry should be buying at 112.80, but stop at 50. Remember. So here now, when we see our 2 hours, I think 112.90 should be 112.90, 112.80 should be a buying level. Okay, let's see. We look into our 15-minute. Okay, I think this is also giving us the same answer. So I think we have all the informations needed for
Trade order failed.
we have all the informations needed for the trade. So what we are going to do is we are going to buy at 75, 112.75 or 112.80, which is current day low. Then our TP is 113.50. Okay, that is confirmed. Stop loss is,
Raise stop level to cost.
okay, let me see. Okay, here. Okay, here we are seen. Okay, this is a pound Swiss. So since there is a data out, so I just want to put in slightly away, 112.75, 45 and 113.50. Okay, so I have all the information needed. So I'll put in this trade until 2100 hours. Okay, so we have pound, pound dollar, pound yen, pound Swiss. So we have three orders. See, just imagine like how easy and how simple, just within 1-2 minutes you decide what you want to do, and you just place the trade, and you just have to do the same order. That means, see where is the trend heading, and you see whether the price is breaking the high or low. Then then from there, we can go into the chart, then to see entry point, then we put in the trade here. Now let me see, the gold order is filled. Okay, let me do this adjustment.
Life signal.
Okay, just now, okay, I'm not sure, this just now went to 65. Okay, 65, huh? Okay, I think I what I want to do is, since early on we had and this market is not showing much strength, I may want to close and take a partial profit. Okay, since this is not showing strength on the gold. Okay, so what I want to do, in fact our take profit was 70 half. So in fact we are holding 3, so I want to close it at 63 half or 63. Okay, take the profit first, because this is not showing strength, so let's not okay, one at 63 and one at, actually we should have exited at 65. Okay, and maybe the swing also, I think maybe I want to re-enter again, so I think the swing also, I think will better
Trade amended.
take a profit,
Trade amended. Trade amended. Trade amended.
I think this one also we want to close it at 63. Then I think I want to enter better levels. So here I'll put it at 62, since so all the gold I think we are trying to lock in first, so I think we want to do a re-entry again. Okay. So better, because
Trade amended.
see, what the market
Trade
is
amended.
giving us, we should be
Profit booked.
able to
Profit
take.
booked.
So we are closing the trade, and let me see here. Okay, the momentum is closed. Okay, I think the swing all book profit. Okay, now I may want to re-enter on gold again. So I've already realized my profit. So I'm trying to do a re-entry. And what we will do is, let's go and do that. Then finally we will put one pound Aussie as the trade. Okay, now we look into the time control. This is a 60, it's controlling right now. This is a 60 minutes is in a range, so the price has to break this high 68, and 68, then we can see 71 and 78. So this is, we see here, let me see. So now we already booked our profits. So now we want to do a re-entry again. Okay, what we want to do is, okay, we have to see the benchmark level, since this is the benchmark. Okay, we will try to enter at 58. Then remember, this market has got no strength, because this is moving up and down. So let's see. 50, previous day low is 53. Okay, so what we will do is, I hope you all have booked the profit, because right now it's coming off, it's already coming off. So which we felt that, we should have, we should have closed at 65, but I think we only managed to close at 63. It's okay, it's no harm. Okay, now what we will do is, we'll try to buy at 58 as one trade, then stop at 55. Then if let's say we get stopped out, then again we will do a re-entry at 51. Okay, so overall, okay, what we feel about this market or this instrument is, okay, again, this market may have seen the low, but the buyers are still not coming in yet, so we have not seen the buyers coming in, and we need to see the market clearing 78 and 95, then only this market will become bullish. But until then, I would say it's a cautiously bullish. So we'll try to be cautious, then we try to go for a buy. So now we have two orders, like just now I told you. So one order is being, I want to buy at 58. Okay, 2658, stop at 55 and 2664. Okay, anything below 65, and this one we will give until 6, 7, okay, about 1.5 hours. Okay, then we have another trade, okay, which we want it to be as a day trading, and this one we will try to buy, if we get 51, we will try to buy at 51, 47 as a stop, and this one we would fight for the US interest rate announcement. If the US interest rate announcement comes out to be as expected, they cut the rate, then we may see this 20 to 200 pips movement. So this one we will try to put it until
Life signal.
23:30. Later we will see, we will do the adjustment. Okay, I think we still have this one momentum trade still on open. Okay, I just saw, yeah, still is open. So what we will do is, we'll try to close this at cost,
Life signal.
at market. Okay, we'll just close it at market, so at least we don't need to get panic about this. Okay, so I think this we have closed all the go trades, and we are back in
Trade close at market.
so we are back to the normal analysis. So now finally we need to look for pound Aussie. Okay, let's do the pound Aussie, then after that I'll see you again at 2100 hours. Okay, pound Aussie. Okay, since this is showing weakness, okay, in fact, right now this is trading at 194.75. Okay, 194.75, and current day low is lower than previous day low, and current day low is current week low, and current month low. So we are getting all this information. So that means, okay, this market has made a new low, and I'm not sure whether we should be seeing the strength, some more weakness, or we should see the market turning up. Okay, then on the high side, we see current high is lower than previous day high, and current week high was yesterday. Okay, and current month high was also yesterday. Okay, so these are the clues I'm getting on this. So now we see whether we get any okay, there is a strength on the 60-minute, which is we see one green, and there was a strength on the 360 about 5 candles back. Okay, this is the strength. Okay, let's see. So let's see, I'm not sure whether to buy or sell. Okay, let me see whether we'll look into the chart, then we'll see whether we get any clue. Okay, so now the market is making low, and this should be your benchmark level. That means your 193.60, the price should start to turn up at this level or before this level. And if we see an extension of this, that 19455 might be the low, or we may see 19380. Okay, so write down all these figures. Okay, 19455 may be the low, or we may see the low at 19380, and this should be a buy. Okay, be a buy. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think before the market should turn at maybe we may have seen the low, but we should see the price moving higher. Okay, so this is the clue. Since we are getting the news out, okay, what we feel is we may see the price spike down a bit before the market turning up. So we can buy at 94.25 or 194.05, and our TP should be before 195. Okay, 195. So let's see the system one more round and see whether we are getting the same answer. Okay. Okay, I'm getting the same answer. So remember, the system says we got to exit before 195, and we should be looking to buy at 194.05, 193.90. So what we can do is we'll try to buy at 194.05, stop at 193.80 or 75, and TP we will put it very conservative. We will try to exit before 194.75. So the chart and the system are giving us the same answer. So I think this is also can be a good trade setup. Okay, this is the pound Aussie. 19405. Okay, maybe I'll try to put a bit because it's quite far, 60 pips. So we'll put it as 19410 and 80 stop and 19470. Okay, this is again 2100 hours. Okay, 2100 hours, and we would be adjusting these levels near that about 5 to 10 minutes before the announcement. So if you subscribe to our services, then you know you can get the adjustments. Usually you will get a voice over, you know, saying that adjustment done.
Trade canceled on time lapse.
Just like,
Life signal.
so just like you're getting this voice over, so you'll get a voice message. Okay, so I think with that I'll just conclude this session. Then I'll see you back again at 2100 hours. And again, one more time is, you know, one more time, it's like for those of you who are coming first time, if you feel that this is, because this is a very unique way of trading, so if you find that this system is useful, then of course you can regularly follow us. You know, you can also recommend your friends to come in, and of course if you feel that this is useful, and also give us a like, and you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you know, so at least you can get whenever we start doing it. Okay, so once again, thank you for coming. Looking forward to see you again. Till then, goodbye. Thanks. Bye.